Okay, so you showed me this is loose, it's coming out, sliding on it. How you tighten those back up. Sorry for the lighting, it's kind of late here, just got back to the shop. You loosen this nut right here. Loosen this nut. You take, and that's a 1/2 inch. Take an adjustable wrench, put it on this, a square head bolt, looks like that one, and you tighten it. This one's already tight. So if it was loose, here's what that spins. So this bolt right here is what tightens up onto that big rod. So you tighten this up, that tightens onto that rod. Once you have that good and snug, you don't want to over tighten it, you don't want to break the bolt. And you take this one and then you tighten it back up to keep that square head screw in place. More than likely it just vibrated loose on the ride to you. Alright, so if I loosen this, you'll notice that nut is turning. Oh, now it stopped. But that nut will turn. So then what I do is I back this nut off. So I have quite a bit of space, and you probably can't see it, in between the nut and this metal part. So then what I do is tighten up the square head bolt, and that, see how that nut is turning? Now I can, before I get tight, I can loosen this nut, and you can even turn it by hand once you get it loose. And then tighten the square head bolt. Tight. That keeps your big round metal rod. It's called a footboard rod, which is this, which glides in and out of your tubes. So that, and once I get that tight, I take my finger and I get it all the way to the frame there, and then I just tighten it a little bit, and that's it. It's all done. That should keep your footboard rods from sliding out right there. And you can kind of see it, a little bit of a light shining back, but that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Derek Harris, Total Clinic Solutions, TCS. Website is totalclinicsolutions.com.